Hey guys, welcome to Channel Kids Moral Stories.
Once upon a time in a forest, filled with tall trees that whispered secrets to each other, an owl named Alwyn lived in a cozy nest. She loved to fly silently under the starry night sky, using her big round eyes to hunt for food. Her feathers were soft as silk and her wings spread wide, casting a shadow on the ground below. In a tiny hole at the base of a tree, a quick and quiet mouse named Max lived. He loved to collect shiny objects and store them in his hidden home. His whiskers twitched with excitement whenever he found something new to add to his collection. One day, a strong wind knocked down a tree, blocking the entrance to Max's home. He tried to push it, but it was too heavy. Alwyn saw Max struggling and flew down to help. She landed softly on a nearby branch, watching Max with curiosity. "Who are you?" Max asked, startled. "I am Alwyn the owl," she replied. "And you are?" "I'm Max the mouse," he said, still trying to push the tree. Alwyn flew down to help. Together they pushed and pulled, but the tree didn't budge. Alwyn had an idea. She used her sharp talons to dig and Max used his tiny teeth to gnaw. Slowly, they moved the tree, and Max's home was free again. Max thanked Alwyn and invited her in. She saw his collection of shiny objects and was amazed. There were sparkling crystals, glittering gemstones, and even a few lost coins. Max showed her his favorite, a sparkling crystal that reflected the light. Alwyn shared her own treasure, a feather from a rare bird that shone like gold in the sunlight. Max gasped in wonder. From that day on, Alwyn and Max became the best of friends. They went on adventures together, exploring the forest and sharing secrets. Max learned to fly with Alwyn's help, sitting on her back as she soared through the skies. Alwyn learned to navigate through tiny space with Max's guidance, discovering hidden corners of the forest. The other animals were surprised to see the unlikely duo together. "An owl and a mouse, friends?" they asked. But Alwyn and Max didn't care. They knew their friendship was special. One night, a big storm came, and Max's home was in danger of flooding. Alwyn quickly flew Max to safety, carrying him in her talons. Max was scared, but Alwyn sang a soft hooting song to calm him down. "When the wind blows strong and loud, and the rain comes pouring down, just close your eyes and hold on tight, for I'll keep you safe through the night." When the storm passed, the animals saw Alwyn and Max huddled together, safe and sound. They realized that even the most unlikely of friends could become the closest of companions. As time went by, Alwyn and Max grew even closer. They explored the forest together, sharing berries and stories. They helped other animals in need, using their unique skills to make a difference. And they lived happily ever after, going on many more adventures together, and showing the world that everyone can get along, no matter how different they may seem. For in the end, it's not what makes us different that matters, but what brings us together. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe channel for more stories.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village, nestled beside a dense, enchanting forest, there lived an honest woodcutter named John. John was known throughout the village for his integrity and hard work. Every day, he ventured into the forest to chop wood, which he sold in the village market to support his family. One day, while chopping wood near a sparkling stream, John's axe slipped from his hands and fell into the water. The stream was deep and the current swift, and John could not retrieve his axe. He sat down by the stream, distraught, as his axe was his only means of earning a living. As John sat there, a bright light appeared above the water. Out of the light emerged a beautiful fairy, with shimmering wings and a kind smile. "Why are you so sad, dear woodcutter?" she asked in a gentle voice. John explained his predicament to the fairy, who listened with compassion. "Do not worry," she said, "I will help you." The fairy disappeared beneath the water and emerged a moment later, holding a magnificent golden axe. "Is this your axe?" the fairy asked. John gazed at the golden axe, which was worth a fortune, but he shook his head. "No, that is not my axe," he replied honestly. The fairy smiled and disappeared beneath the water again. She soon reappeared, this time holding a splendid silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. John again shook his head. "No, that is not my axe either," he said. The fairy nodded approvingly and dived back into the water once more. When she surfaced, she was holding John's old, worn iron axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. John's face lit up with relief and joy. "Yes, that is my axe," he exclaimed. The fairy was so impressed by John's honesty that she gave him all 3 axes, the golden, the silver, and his iron one. "Your honesty and integrity deserve a reward," she said, handing him the axes. John returned to the village, and the story of his encounter with the fairy quickly spread. The villagers admired John's honesty and the blessings it brought him. From that day on, John continued his work with even greater joy, grateful for the gifts he had received. The moral of the story is that honesty and integrity are always rewarded in unexpected ways, and they bring true and lasting blessings.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on a quiet street, there lived a kind and gentle rabbit named Luna. She loved nothing more than helping others and making new friends. One sunny afternoon, while Luna was busy tending to her garden, she heard a faint meowing sound coming from behind a nearby bush. She hopped over to investigate and found a tiny ball of fluff, a lost kitten. The kitten had big green eyes and soft, gray fur. It looked up at Luna and meowed pitifully. Luna's heart melted, and she knew she had to help. "Don't worry, little one," Luna said softly. "I'll find your home for you." Luna asked around the neighborhood, but no one seemed to know where the kitten belonged. She decided to take the kitten under her wing and care for it until they found its home. As the days passed, Luna and the kitten, whom she named Whiskers, became inseparable. They played hide-and-seek in the garden, chased butterflies, and snuggled up together in Luna's cozy burrow. But Luna knew she couldn't keep Whiskers forever. She was determined to find the kitten's real home. So, she asked her animal friends for help. A wise old owl suggested they search the nearby houses, while a friendly squirrel offered to check the trees. Even a curious hedgehog joined the search party. After many hours of searching, they finally found Whiskers' home, a cozy little house just a few blocks away. Whiskers' overjoyed owner, a little girl named Sophie, thanked Luna again and again for taking care of her beloved kitten. As Luna said goodbye to Whiskers, she knew she had made a new friend, and that helping others was the greatest reward of all. From then on, Luna, Whiskers, and Sophie had many more adventures together, spreading kindness and joy throughout the neighborhood.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to channel.